Next, one more very important topic, very important topic: applied versus allotted shares. Applied versus allotted, that means it will be applied by the public, it will be allotted by the company. In this, see, most of the case, not most of the case, it will be happen every time in the case of oversubscription. That means in the case of oversubscription, the company may adjust the excess money received from the applicants at the time of forfeiture. This case is applicable. Be very careful. Why you, sir? Why you have written again this forfeiture? You told forfeiture means cancellation. No. See, that is what they told. I may request the company to give 1,000 shares. Okay, na? I may request the company to give 1,000. That means it is applied by me. It is applied by me. The company may or may not give this 1,000 shares. The company may give only 800 shares. It means it will be allotted by the company. So that is right. We are writing bank account error to share application. That means we are asking the money. We are asking the shares. That means it is applied. Allotted. The company may allot these many shares. Okay, na? See, before watching this, watch again and again over subscription concept. Unless until you understand the over subscription concept, this is not, you cannot understand this. That is for sure. Okay, now if you did not understood any of this, just keep your doubt in the comment section. I will just clarify your doubt there itself, please. Okay, so applied and allotted, that means how many shares they have applied, how many shares Mr. X has applied, 1,000. The company may give 1,000 or less than 1,000 depending upon the subscriptions. Okay, now if they got over subscription, they 100% they give less than 1,000. No, that's what I told. No company will try to reject, or no company will try to give back their money to the shareholders. It try to adjust. That means Mr. X is a shareholder. Okay, he has applied for 1,000 shares. I'll tell within a brief and a common example. Okay, now how many shares he has applied? How many shares? 1,000 shares. He paid application value is rupees 3. That means how much he paid? 3,000. They told application is rupees 2. Allot 3. Allotment rupees 2. First call 2. 5. Second call 3. This is the call process. Okay, now the company has Mr. X has applied how many shares? 1,000 shares, and the company has allotted 800 shares. Did the company return this 200 value of, that means 3? That did the company return this 600 to the X? No, the company has adjusted. Sir, how to adjust? I'll tell you now. This is the requested. This is at the time of application. How much he paid? 3,000. And how much amount we have to write at the time of writing company? 800 into 3, that is 2,400. This is the amount 600 we got, yes or no? This one and this one got tallied. At the time of allotment, what is the allotment? 800, sorry, 2. Okay, na? 800 into 2, that is how much you'll get? 1,600 he has to pay at the time of allotment, yes or no? See, this is the normal subscribed. This is the normal subscribed by the Mr. X. Okay, na? But the company has allotted 800 only. What about this remaining 200 shares? It will be adjusted to the forward call this amount. Okay, na? That means at the time of application, how much amount we have received, we have written in the books of accounts, that is 2,400. The remaining 600 will be adjusted to allotment. How it will adjust? So 800 is the value. That's what I told. We should not consider this 1,000 from now. We have to consider this 800. Okay, na? Sir, why, sir? Because these are shares allotted by the company only, no? So we should not consider this 1,000. We should have to consider only allotted number of shares. 800 into 2, 1,600. How much amount already he paid as an excess? 600. So 1,000 is the amount Mr. X has to pay to the company at the time of allotment. I hope everyone understood this. Be very careful, Nana. See, the logic is very simple. I'll tell you in a practical example. Okay, na? So this is the father, this is the son. Okay, na? So the father, or sorry, this is the son, this is the son, this is the father. It will be very fun. Okay, na? So son asked 1,000 rupees to the father. Son asked 1,000 rupees from the father. Okay. And father told that I don't have 1,000 rupees. I have only 800. I have only 800. And the father gave 800 to the son. Okay. And the next, the father asked how much money I have given. Now the son will say only 800. No, the son will not say 1,000 because this is the amount given by the father. Like that only, the public, Mr. X has asked, I want 1,000 shares, but the company has given only 800 shares. The company has given only 800 shares. I hope everyone understood this. Be very careful, Nana, please. Okay, na? Out of 1,000 shares, the company has given only 800 shares. For these 800 shares only, they'll calculate each and everything. Okay, na? For allotment. So for the first call also, 800 into 2. For the second call also, 800 into 3. So all the amount will be receiving only on this 800 but not on 1,000. See, I'll do practical problems also on this. You can understand in an easy way. Okay, na? We'll do problem. Okay, na? See, we have discussed, how we should access amount transfer to securities premium case 2. We'll do problem on this now. Okay, so the company issued how many shares? 40,000 shares to the public, and they applied for how many shares? 48,000 shares. Okay, the company issued 40,000 shares to the public and they applied for 48,000. Underline the word applied. While writing the board exam also, if you find the word applied or allotted, underline those words. Please underline those words. Those are very, very important. Okay, na? So this is the case of oversubscription. Yes or no? That means the company has issued only 40,000 and they have applied for 48,000 shares. And the excess money was adjusted to allotment stage. Okay. So what was the excess money? For this 8,000 only, these 8,000 shares were adjusted. That means nothing they have rejected. All the shares were adjusted. Out of which Mr. Rohit allotted, be very careful, I have underlined the word allotted 1,500 shares, paid only application money. What is the value per application of shares? 4 rupees, and failed to pay the remaining value. Find the due value at the stage of allotment. That means how much amount he has to pay. So at this point of time, read the question twice or thrice. Just pass it. Okay, just pass the video. Okay, and write the question, read the question 4 to 5 times. That means the application value of the company is 4 rupees. The allotment is 5 rupees. Let's take an example. The first call is remaining 1 rupee. Remaining 1 rupee. Okay, write this also. Application value is 4, allotment 5, first call is 1 rupee. I hope everyone. Now we'll continue the solution. Excess money received from Mr. Rohit on application. We have to write. Okay, na? Rohit has been allotted 1,500 shares. Then how many shares he were applied? Just think in a practical point of view. In the previous, I'll write it here. In the previous, I told that applied 1,000 means allotted 800. That means 100% the applied shares will be more than allotted shares. Yes or no? And next, I hope everyone understood. That means if you applied more only, no, it will be allotted very less. That means at this point of time, Rohit has been allotted 1,500 shares, means how many shares he has been applied for. We have to find out. Okay, na? If the allotted shares were 40,000, no, then applied shares were 48,000 and Mr. Rohit shares were 1,800. How to find out this 1,800 is the point. Now, if you found out this 1,800, the answer is very, 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 very easy. It is not as dead easy. Okay, see, we can do it in 2 to 3 methods. First, we'll do it in a simple method. It is a formula process. Okay, na? That means applied by, formula is applied by allotted number of shares into allotted to Mr. X, Mr. Rohit. or a shareholder we can write. Why we are applying this formula? We have to find out how many shares he has applied. No, that means applied shares were 48,000 as on. This is total shares by the public. Total by the public. Allotted. How many shares we have allotted? 40,000. So how many shares Rohit has been allotted? 1500. Yes or no? Which has given in the question. No. Mr. Rohit has allotted 1500 shares. So 48,000 divided by 40,000 into 1500, you will get 1800. That means excess shares are 1800 minus 1500 is equal to 300. These 300 were the excess amount which has been received. Okay, now for this amount which we have received from Mr. Rohit. This is case 1. You can do it in a formula base, or which we have discussed earlier, we can do it in the second method also. If allotted were 40,000, applied were 48,000, so that's, we'll do in a calculation. 0, 0, 0, 3 zeros will get cancelled. Okay, na? And next, if you do it, 8 table, 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 40. That means these two are in which ratio? 5 is to 6. So we know that how many shares we have allotted? 1500. That means this is the, we can do it into 300. Yes or no? 300. So 500 into 300. So 1500 divided by 5, I got 300. Yes or no? In the same, we have to find out, if you write 1800, you will get this, no, 300. Or this is the process, one thing, or you just do the cross multiplication. 1500 into 6 divided by 5, you will get 1800. See, you can do it in this manner, or you can do it in this manner, or you can see, these are the three processes you can do. In any way you can do it. You will get the same answer at each and every process. This is 300, yes or no? At this point you got only 300. Okay, na? I hope everyone understood these logics. So excess money received on 300 shares is 300 into 4. Why are writing 4? Why are not writing 5? Because he paid at the time of application. No, if he paid at the time of allotment, we'll write the allotment value. If he paid at the stage of application, so application money should be written here. 300 into 4, 1200. Amount due on allotment, we should not write it on 1800. Why? Because these were the applied shares by him, and all the shares we have to find it on allotment, which we have discussed. Yes or no? So 1500 into 5, we will get 7500. 7500. Out of this 7500, he already paid 1200 as an excess money, yes, on which we have found out now. Less 1200. This is the amount due but not received. That means this is the amount which will be receiving at the time of allotment. When the company make a call for the allotment stage, how much Mr. Rohit has to pay? Mr. Rohit has to pay 6,300, instead of 7,500. I hope everyone understood this video. So Nana, these are the very, very important logics which you have to find out during the share capitals. So you can, when you're just going into deep, you will have n number of problems. I will discuss around 4 to 5 problems which will be cover whole chapter from the basic till the end. And see, share capital is very, very easy. The only thing is you have to find out the logics which were behind it, and find out the what he is asking and what we have to find it out. Okay, now while seeing this, most of the students will think, "Arey, this is such a very tough sum," and he is saying that allotted, applied, something, and most of the students, where they will do mistake, no, they will not see, they will not underline these two, because these two plays a very, very major role at the time of oversubscription. That's what I told them. Here at this point of, indirectly they are saying that these were the case of oversubscription, first point. And the second point, we have to find out applied versus allotment. Unless until you don't know the difference, you cannot solve the problem. I hope everyone understood this video. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment box. I will be available at 8099824904. This is my phone number. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, put your doubt in the comment box. I will clarify there itself. I'll be back with a new video within 1 or 2 days. Thank you.